Come check out the layout here at Spruce Shore Motel. As you can see, we're right across from the harbor, downtown Fish Creek. We are located on Spruce Street, just 1 block away from Behringer's, a couple-minute walk to Bayside, you name it, we're right there. So right here we have our harbor cottage. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, cozy little cottage with awesome harbor views. And just on the other side of that, we have our motel building. So this is a 13-unit motel building that was actually moved here in 1981 via a water barge. So this has 13 rooms, 10 of which are kings, 3 of which are double queens. All the rooms on the lower level over here are pet friendly as well. They have a nice green space in front for the dogs. Over here we do have a duplex. This is called the Spruce Suite and the Shore Suite. Each side has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And over here are our newest units. So there's 8 queen suites, each with a kitchenette. And come down here, I'll show you the pool. So over here we have a pool. This is a heated pool. So we're going to be heating this to 80 degrees. We're going to have all new furniture, and it's going to be an awesome amenity for our guests right downtown Fish Creek.